was a different format. So typically events are lecture listener, lecture audience, or maybe it's a large trade fair where, it's just craziness all the time. But I knew this was going to be a smaller, more intimate affair, so I thought I would give this one a shot. Pleasant environment with pleasant people, meeting and learning things that are pertinent to our roles and responsibilities. So, making interesting connections. I think made some connections, maybe with people outside of my direct contact, maybe a little outside of that scope, which I think can be very helpful in the long run, because if you're only talking to suppliers all the time, well, now I'm talking not to the supplier, but I'm actually talking to the retailer. That's not something I would typically do in my role, but I think it'd also be beneficial for the company long term. Be prepared to network, be prepared to meet lots of like-minded people who are, truly trying to do the best that they can, with their brands and their companies. And I think that can be refreshing sometimes. I would say it's very positive experience.